Hello, welcome back to Kuki Decor. We believe beauty is not always born new, sometimes it is rediscovered. In this video, hidden beauty in scrap industrial materials transformed into artistic light fixtures, we invite you into a world where discarded industrial materials, once forgotten and ignored, are reborn as glowing works of art. Old factories, warehouses, and workshops leave behind stories in the form of rusted metal, worn pipes, heavy bolts, steel frames, and reclaimed wood. To many, these materials appear useless, but to creative eyes, they hold texture, history, and endless potential. When shaped with intention and illuminated with warmth, scrap transforms into light fixtures that do more than brighten a room. They add soul, character, and meaning to a space. Industrial lighting has a unique charm that modern mass-produced decor often lacks. The rough edges, natural imperfections, and aged surfaces of industrial materials bring authenticity into interiors. In this transformation journey, every scratch tells a story, every dent adds depth, and every layer of rust becomes part of the design. At Kuki Decor, we don't hide these imperfections, we celebrate them. By combining raw metal with warm bulbs and thoughtful craftsmanship, industrial scrap becomes artistic light fixtures that balance strength and softness, proving that contrast is what creates visual magic. These designs fit beautifully into modern homes, loft apartments, studios, cafes, and creative workspaces, offering lighting that feels personal rather than manufactured. Sustainability is at the heart of this creative process. In a world overwhelmed by waste, upcycling industrial materials into lighting fixtures is more than a design choice, it is a responsible act. Reusing scrap metal, factory leftovers, and abandoned materials reduces landfill waste and gives new purpose to what would otherwise be thrown away. Through creative reuse, industrial upcycling turns environmental responsibility into aesthetic value. Each light fixture becomes a reminder that sustainable living can also be stylish, artistic, and emotionally satisfying. At Kuki Decor, we believe eco-friendly decor should never feel boring. Instead, it should feel intentional, inspiring, and beautifully handcrafted. As you watch industrial materials transform into artistic light fixtures, you'll notice how lighting changes the emotional atmosphere of a space. Warm industrial lamps create a sense of comfort, nostalgia, and grounded elegance. Whether it's a pendant light made from old steel pipes, a wall sconce crafted from factory gears, or a table lamp formed from reclaimed metal and wood, these pieces add warmth without losing their raw industrial edge. The glow softens the hardness of metal, creating harmony between strength and serenity. This balance is what makes industrial lighting so timeless. It feels bold yet welcoming, rugged yet refined. One of the most beautiful aspects of using industrial scrap is uniqueness. No two pieces of scrap are ever the same, which means no two light fixtures will ever be identical. Each design becomes a one-of-a-kind statement piece. In a world filled with identical decor items, handcrafted industrial lighting stands out as art. These lights are not just functional objects, they are conversation starters, focal points, and expressions of creativity. When guests enter a room illuminated by upcycled industrial light fixtures, they don't just notice the light, they feel the story behind it. At Kuki Decor, our passion lies in showing how creativity can shift perspective. What was once seen as waste becomes a source of inspiration. Old industrial materials often carry emotional weight. They remind us of labor, craftsmanship, and the passage of time. When transformed into lighting, they bridge the past and present, blending history with modern living. This fusion creates decor that feels authentic and deeply connected to real materials. Not artificial trends. Industrial lighting made from scrap is not about perfection, it's about honesty, texture, and intentional design. These artistic light fixtures work beautifully across different interior styles. In industrial interiors, they enhance the raw aesthetic with cohesion and depth. In modern minimalist spaces, they add contrast and warmth. In rustic homes, they complement natural textures like wood and stone. Even in contemporary interiors, industrial lighting introduces character and boldness. This versatility makes upcycled industrial lighting a powerful design element that adapts effortlessly to different environments while maintaining its unique identity. Beyond aesthetics, there is something deeply satisfying about watching transformation happen. Seeing scrap metal cleaned, reshaped, and reimagined into glowing fixtures reminds us that value is not always obvious at first glance. This philosophy extends beyond decor, it reflects life itself. At Kuki Decor, we love sharing stories of transformation because they inspire creativity, patience, and appreciation for overlooked beauty. Every industrial light fixture becomes a symbol of renewal, proving that with creativity and care, even the most forgotten materials can shine again. For creators, makers, and DIY enthusiasts, industrial lighting upcycling opens endless creative possibilities. Pipes can become frames, gears can turn into decorative elements, metal sheets can shape shades, and reclaimed wood can soften the overall look. The combination of materials allows for experimentation with form, texture, and light direction. Artistic lighting is not just about brightness, it's about mood, shadow, and atmosphere. Industrial scrap provides the perfect canvas for bold experimentation and expressive design. As homes evolve, people are moving away from disposable decor and toward meaningful pieces that reflect values and individuality. Upcycled industrial light fixtures align perfectly with this shift. They represent conscious consumption, artistic craftsmanship, and respect for materials. Choosing industrial upcycled lighting is a statement. It says you value creativity, sustainability, and authenticity over mass production. At Kuki Decor, we believe the future of home decor lies in thoughtful reuse and timeless design rather than temporary trends. Lighting plays a central role in how we experience our homes. It influences comfort, productivity, and emotional well-being. Industrial artistic light fixtures add depth to lighting design by combining function with narrative. They don't just illuminate spaces, they create ambience and connection. The warm glow against aged metal evokes feelings of calm, creativity, and grounded elegance. This emotional response is what makes industrial lighting so powerful and enduring. In this video, we hope to inspire you to see scrap differently. Instead of viewing industrial waste as clutter, see it as opportunity. Look beyond surface rust and imagine the glow it could hold. Whether you're decorating your home, designing a workspace, or simply appreciating creative transformations, this journey shows that beauty often hides in unexpected places. At Kuki Decor, our mission is to help you rediscover that beauty and bring it into your living spaces in meaningful ways. If you enjoy creative transformations, industrial decor ideas, reclaimed materials, and artistic lighting inspiration, this video is made for you. We create content daily at Kuki Decor to celebrate upcycling, sustainability, and warm handcrafted design. Every piece we feature reflects our belief that homes should feel personal, soulful, and thoughtfully designed. Lighting, especially, has the power to change how a space feels, and when that light comes from transformed scrap, it carries a story worth sharing. As you continue watching, let yourself be inspired by the glow, the textures, and the quiet strength of industrial materials reborn. Let these artistic light fixtures remind you that nothing is truly useless when creativity leads the way. From forgotten factory floors to warm living rooms, scrap finds its second life through design, craftsmanship, and vision. This is the hidden beauty in scrap, and this is the heart of Kuki Decor. If this transformation speaks to you, don't forget to like the video, share it with fellow decor lovers, and subscribe to Kuki Decor for more inspiring stories of upcycling, industrial design, reclaimed materials, and artistic home decor ideas. Together, let's continue turning forgotten materials into glowing expressions of creativity and warmth.